Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to remove widgets from home screen Android. Let's go. Widgets are customizable home screen elements that display a clear and actionable view of an app's content or actions. This content can periodically refresh. Widgets help users complete their goals, either by interacting with your app's content directly in the widget, or by opening your full app experience. Widgets from your home screen on an Android device. Widgets are small applications that can be placed on your home screen for quick access to information or functions. Sometimes you might want to remove a widget that you no longer need or use. To get started, find the widget that you want to remove from the home screen. Then long press on the widget. It will show you these options. Simply tap on the Remove button to remove the widget from the home screen. This is exactly how you can remove widgets from your home screen on an Android device. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.